Cleaning media exchange. Connect the machine to power supply and compressed air supply. Make sure the compressed air valve is open. Turn the machine on and log in. Select Media Exchange, then choose Container Emptying option. Before you proceed, make sure you're wearing protective clothing. Open the metal tank cover and remove the container lids. Next, take out the metal filter box from the cleaning media container. Prepare an external container where the post-process liquid from the machine is to be pumped out. Caution: do not dump the cleaning media directly down the drain. The post-process cleaning liquid needs to be neutralized in accordance with local regulations. See DS1 and DS2 technical data sheet for reference and further information. Connect the first hose to MV2 valve, then place the other end of the hose in the external container. Place the suction hose with a plastic tube in the cleaning media container. Next, connect the other side of the hose to MV1 valve nipple. Open the MV1 and MV2 valves. Their corresponding icons in the screen will change from red to green, indicating the valves are open. Next, close the MV3 valve at the bottom side of the machine, where the external filter is mounted. Press Start button in the screen to begin the process of pumping out the media. Move the plastic tube around to collect sediment and contamination from the bottom of the tank. If the pump is not able to suck any more liquid, take out the oblique filter, which probably got clogged. Take out the filter and clean it under running water. Put the filter back in the housing and continue. You might repeat this procedure several times if the tank is heavily contaminated. New machines are equipped with a custom type of filter housing placed at the bottom of the hose, making the pumping process easier, no issues with oblique filter getting clogged. Proceed until all the liquid is pumped out, then press stop to pause the process. Caution: the next operation should be followed only if the water in the diagnostics tank is relatively clean. Take the plastic tube out of the cleaning media container and place it in the diagnostics tank. Next, take the output hose out of the external tank and put it inside the cleaning media tank. Resume the pumping out process and wash the residual dirt on the cleaning media tank with water from the diagnostics tank. Once the diagnostics tank is empty, stop the process. If the water in the diagnostics tank is heavily polluted, flush the tank with external pressurized water source. When the remaining dirt has been washed away from the tank, put the output hose back in the external container. Then pump out the remaining liquid with diluted sediment. Once the cleaning media tank is empty, close the MV1, MV2 valves and unplug the hoses. Next, set the MV3 valve in its original position. Put the filter basket in the cleaning media tank. Wipe the external walls of both the tanks with a cloth. Make sure both tanks are as clean as possible. Close the tanks with lids and shut the metal tank cover. Once the tanks have been emptied, the operator should proceed with cleaning the filters. See filter cleaning video for reference. After cleaning the filters, it is recommended to refill the tanks with water and rinse the pumps and pulsators.